thanks to the fund, Irish music is being fostered and supported and enabled.
Community Benefit Fund is a fund set up by a renewable energy project like a wind farm or a solar farm. The Community Benefit Fund allows a local community group or a not-for-profit to avail of funding.
The Millvale solar farm is a very big solar project, renewable energy, that's funded by the government. As part of that, they're mandated by the government to give back to the community. The Barn Ensemble is one of the groups that were funded through this initiative, and they're performing for us today in Wicklow Town.
We put forward a proposal and we got some funding for intergenerational music. It was lovely just to see how age doesn't matter. It's like you have a common language.
My favourite experience of being part of Rhythm is making new friends and coming together before and after performances and just having the crack as a music group.
We've been playing with different generations. They've been passing their knowledge down to us and we've been giving them some new techniques and stuff as well.
As a group, we tend to play a lot of the traditional tunes, but we do kind of add in every now and then more classical pieces, and that's kind of nice to learn sort of the fusion between trad and classical, and we enjoy playing it together.
The resources that were provided were invaluable. We got rehearsal space, we got coordination, we got the materials we required. We just generally got the support. It would not have happened without the fund, and it was very, very valuable for all of us, I think both the older and the younger musicians.
Communities can find out more about their local Community Benefit Fund by logging on to the Community Benefit Fund National Register and using the map to filter by county and find a Community Benefit Fund in their area.